This real estate advantage property video is presented by Jamestown. Welcome to your beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath lakefront cottage, nestled in the serene town of Ellicott. This charming home offers an open floor plan, perfect for modern living and entertaining. With fresh contemporary updates throughout, it provides an ideal blend of comfort and style. The spacious layout enhances your living area, allowing for seamless movement and interaction between the kitchen, dining and living areas. Step outside to your private deck, where you can enjoy stunning views of the lake. It's the perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining family and friends. The tranquility of the lakefront setting coupled with the convenience of modern amenities makes this cottage an irresistible retreat. Whether you're seeking a year-round residence or a seasonal getaway, this lakefront cottage offers the perfect blend of serenity and convenience. With new forced air heating and central air located in the attic space, you'll be comfortable no matter the season. Don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Ellicott. For more